Kate here with WTI. Now, is your pup also an aggressive chewer? My dog is 6 months old. He loves to put everything in his mouth, and as you know, pet toys don't always last very long. This awesome little blue shark from WinTour is super durable. So if you have a dog who really likes to chew and tear things apart, this is virtually indestructible. So it has really hard ends so that they can chew as hard as they want and they won't tear it apart. The rubber in the middle is great for their teeth, to help to clean them, to soothe their gums, but then it also is super thick so that they're not tearing it apart. It has lots of texture, which keeps them interested, and it even has a squeaker. As you can hear, he's chewing away on it. I find him using this all the time. He absolutely loves it. It's very easy to clean as well. You just wash it up and it's good to go. So if you're looking for a really strong, tough, cute, but functional dog toy that's gonna get your puppy through teething or your large dog from chewing up your furniture, then I think you'll really love this one, and that's my point of view.